Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to apply folder view to all folders in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Open File Explorer by clicking the File Explorer icon in the taskbar, or press Windows key plus E on your keyboard to open File Explorer. Go to the folder whose view settings you want to apply to all folders. Click on the View tab at the top, and choose your preferred view style, details, list, tiles, etc. Click on the three dots icon in the command bar and select Options. In the Folder Options window, go to the View tab. Click on Apply to Folders and confirm the prompt. That's it. Your chosen folder view will now be applied to all folders of the same type. If you want to reset the settings, you can go back to the View tab and click on Reset Folders. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.